Good morning everyone, how are you all today? Welcome back to my channel, my OzLife. Guess what? I'm back in the kitchen, which means I'm going to show you how to cook something. Today I'm going to share how to make spring rolls. So I'm going to show you the ingredients. So I've got all the ingredients ready. I've got some chopped chicken thighs and 1 onion. It's been chopped. 6 cloves of garlic, half teaspoon of white pepper, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of gourmet stock. And I've got 1 cup of the bean sprouts and some chopped cabbages, chopped carrots, spring onions, oyster sauce, and spring roll pastry. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make them. Okay guys, first I'm going to stir fry the onions and garlic. It smells so good. Okay, now I'm going to put this the chicken. Yeah. Now I'm going to add the salt, white pepper, and the chicken stock. Okay, so I'm going to add the oyster sauce, so maybe about 1 tablespoon of the oyster sauce. Once the chicken cooks, I'm going to add this chopped carrots. Now I'm going to add the cabbage, the chopped cabbage. And the chopped spring onion. And bean sprout. Now I'm going to stir fry the vegetables for about 2 minutes because you don't want it overcooked. We want them to be crunchy. Okay, I'm going to turn the stove off now. So you don't want the vegetables getting soggy, guys. So you want them to be crunchy. So this one is done. Now we're going to set this aside. Wait till the fillings getting cool a little bit before we roll them to the spring roll pastry. Okay everyone, I'm going to drain these fillings because I don't want the water in there. So I'm going to make sure that there's no excess of water on it. Beautiful. Okay guys, now the fillings, they are cool. So they cooled down already. So I'm just gonna roll them in the spring roll pastry. Also make sure you have a little bit of water aside. This is to seal the spring roll pastry. I'm gonna show you how to roll it. Okay, so you lay your pastry this way, then get the filling, and then you roll it once, and then you fold on the other side, and then roll, and then another fold, and then just keep rolling like this. And just dip your finger in the water and just put it on the top corner like that, and then roll it back, and that's it. so your spring roll is sealed. Okay guys, so I just finished rolling the spring rolls. Here they are. Now I'm going to fry them. Just gonna add canola oil. Okay guys, so the spring rolls are finally cooked. It's nice and crunchy. I hope so. So I'm just gonna give it a taste. This is really good. Lots of vegetables and chicken too. Anyway, you could also eat it with the sweet sour sauce. It's really nice with the sweet sour sauce. At the moment I don't have it in the fridge, so I just have to eat it with the chili, guys. So good. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. See you next time.